right, this is the elevator here at the Main Street Garage here in La Crosse, Wisconsin. So Dover, 4. This is just an extra 4. Indicator is completely dead. Here at 4, 1. All right, let's get a cab view. Basic cab for a Dover. Indicator, burnout indicator. Traditional buttons. 25 punch capacity. 8 phones there. Just look how this panel is kind of sketched up. This thing is kind of sketchy a little bit. I've seen better days. Hi. The walls are so dirty and stuff. All right, we'll end the video at 2. Oh, this one's a replace button. But I gotta say though, this thing runs pretty well, even though it's kind of sketched up a little. And it does have an epic motor too. All right, there it goes. And that'll be it.